Hello my YouTube friends! My channel is all about showing you how you can do your art journaling, mixed media and crafting on a low budget. My name is Ilona, better known on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram as Picture for Life. Subscribe to my channel to follow me on my creative journey this year. I make easy to follow process tutorial videos for art journaling and mixed media. Oh, and another fun thing. You see everybody working with these art stones, and accidentally I found a cheap substitute for the medium art stones. And I tell you about that a little later in the video. And today's page became a really big mess when I dropped a bottle of ink right onto my page. I was kind of ready to toss this page in the garbage, but since I had a lot of time invested in it already, I thought I should finish. And you can watch that in this easy to follow process tutorial video. So now I'm gonna tell you about the substitute for the art stones. The deco stones I found first were far too heavy, but then I bought a little bag for in my car to absorb water, and then I accidentally tore it. And inside there were all these little lightweight grains that were perfect to use as art stones. Now I already have a bottle of decorative sands. I use them as mini art stones. The two smaller butterflies were from a napkin, and I glued them with Mod Podge onto a piece of cardstock and then cut them out. After that it became a hot mess because my bottle of ink fell onto my page. I tried to lighten it up again, but the color kept coming through, so I couldn't fix it. In the end, this is what it is, and so I'm going from here. And the middle butterfly I stamped on a piece of mop-up cloth that I used when I spilled my ink all over my page, and I tried to wipe it up. The colors, they match perfectly since they came off my project, and I could use it as a perfect embellishment on this page. I found this quote that I wanted to work with, but the thing with quotes, sometimes they don't print out that good. Now I have a little trick for that. I'll try to show you. So you see, it's not really a crisp line. I found when I go over it with a black pen, it looks more like I hand lettered this myself. It doesn't have to be really perfect. This myself. It doesn't have to be really perfect. Okay, I like this one, don't like that one. I'm going to try and type it on my typewriter.